welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make photo frames decorated with beans. So let's get started. So guys, you'll need paint, a scale, white Fevicol or glue. Then you'll need pen, 2 strips of thick cardboard normal size, a pair of scissors, glue stick, paintbrush, a photo, and beans. I am using white flat beans like these. See, you can use any beans you have or you want to use to decorate your photo frame. So let's get started. Guys, you'll also need paper, normal paper. You don't need to use color paper or something. It should be simple. So guys, the measurements of the cardboard are 19.3 centimeters for the side, and for the top and bottom you'll need 14.6 centimeters. So let's get started. Now first you are going to take your picture and place it on the cardboard in the middle like this. And now you need to take your pen and then trace around your picture like this on the cardboard. Make sure your picture is in the middle. Okay, so I have traced my picture on the cardboard like this, and now we need to cut out this square without cutting this part because that will be our frame. So I'll just cut it and come right back. So guys, after cutting your frame, we are going to take our glue and a rough piece of something like paper or foam sheet something. I am using leather, a rough piece of leather, and I'm going to take some glue like this and then spread on my frame like this. And now on this particular part, we are going to take our beans and stick our beans on it. Like this. Okay, so like this, we are going to cover our frame nicely, the whole frame. So I have finished sticking all the beans right here on the frame, and now it's looking good already. But now we need to paint it. I am using a purple acrylic color. Guys, make sure you use acrylic color for this. Normal paint would probably not stick on the beans, so make sure to use acrylic colors. I am using a purple color here. You can use any color you like. So let's get started with the paint. I'm going to start painting right here on the frame. So you need to paint on each and every bean, just like this. And guys, my cardboard is already white, so I was not coloring it more because it was white already. But if your cardboard is brown, please make sure to paint it a white color. Now I'm going to start painting. Okay, so guys, I have finished painting my photo frame, and now I am going to let it dry. Okay, so I'll just let it dry and come right back. So guys, my photo frame is completely dried right here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to flip our photo frame like this, and then we are going to take some glue over here, this, and then take our cardboard strips and then put some glue on the cardboard strips. Like this, and then stick it right here. And then do the same thing for the other strip also. The other strip will be here. You need to stick the other strip here. So I'll just stick it and come right back. So guys, I have sticked the cardboard pieces on the frame like this. Now you need to take your paper and then stick it like this. So put some glue, put some glue stick on the edges of the cardboard, strips which we just stuck right now. This, and then stick our paper like this. And there you go. Our frame is finished. See. Now we can insert our picture in it. Now I'm going to take my picture and then just slide through it. Now our photo frame is ready. I made another photo frame like this but decorated it with rice. So I'll show you that one. This one. I just stuck rice here, not beans. So guys, be careful because this would be very messy. I got some paint on my favorite t-shirt there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Bye guys.